Welcome back to the Hammersmith DIY channel. My name's Whitegroth, and in today's Workshed video we're going to be talking to you and showing how we manufacture this particular handle. So this handle that you can see here is a product we've been making for a little while now. We make it in a number of different timbers. We actually produce it for a company up in Queensland, but also we sell it to a couple other companies around Australia, but the Queensland company was the first one which actually asked us to make the product. And what they did was they sent us down a sample of something they were looking for us to make. We drew it up and then created the product, built a cutter head, which you'll see in the video how we're producing it. It's on one of our Mattison Rotary knife lathes. But this particular one here is actually made out of a timber called camphor laurel. Now camphor laurel is an Australian species, it's mainly used up in northeastern Australia. And they particularly like using this timber. So it's not a timber we commonly see down in Adelaide. So what happens is they send the timber down to us and then we turn it up for them in a large quantity. And the end product is the product you see here on the screen. So what we're going to do now is cut to the video where you'll be able to see the product being made, as I said, on one of our rotary knife lathes. So enjoy the video. Hopefully you enjoyed what you saw in that video of this particular handle being made. As is usually the case, please remember to subscribe to our channel. Also remember to turn on the bell notification so that way you get notified when new videos land. And finally, don't forget to hit the like button. This is Whitegroth, signing off.